In front of me is OPPO Reno8 and today I would like to show you where you can locate all your downloads. First of all, you need to find an app called Files that's already on your device. It's my favorite one to manage all of my downloads because all you need to do is tap on it. Hit continue in the pop-up if you never used it before, and last but not least, hit downloads category. As you can see, all my downloads are here. To access one, just click on it. To manage one, tap on three dots right next to it and tap on whatever you want to. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!